Hey, welcome to new vlog. I've decided to take my bike out after some signs of good weather. In this vlog, I wanted to discuss even without someone paying me, I still love being a developer. It's truly motivating in some sense to build something and see every piece of software come together to solve your use case. And I would like to share an instance of that with you guys. To explain this a bit, let me take you back to home and show you a service that I built to solve my own problem. This is the security camera that I bought some time ago to monitor activities going around at my place. Now, this little intelligent camera can automatically follow and track a person as they move. The app also comes with a lot of other features for detections, which I'll not go into detail. It also has the security alarm features for intruder detections, which I've never used it apart from recording this video. The important features like storing the footage when activity is detected and going back in time to view that footage is gated behind a paywall. As a consumer, I would totally pay for the service. But as a developer, we always get the joy of using something that we built ourselves to solve a problem. That's when my developer mind took over my consumer mind and I reached for this little computer sitting on my table ideally. This is a Raspberry Pi 5 on top of which I've mounted a heatsink and then a NVMe SSD. Let's quickly connect this to the power source and also connect our router to the Ethernet port so it's available on the home network. I'll not bore you with deep code stuff, but I'll give you a brief overview of how this little computer will solve our problem for free. So for this to work, one of the important things is we should be able to go back into the time and look at the events that happened. So for that to work, the Tapo camera provides a camera account which uses RTSP protocol, which provides a live stream to the Frigate running on the Raspberry Pi. Now the role of Frigate is to detect video stream, decode it and run object detection. And then whenever an object is detected, it writes to the Raspberry Pi storage, which is the SSD, NVMe SSD that we connected. So this is how it works, but it is still missing one important step. I want to actually see the footages while I'm having my pizza on a dinner table. This to work, you sitting anywhere in the world want to access the videos that are sitting on your Raspberry Pi. To solve this problem, we can go to your internet provider. For our case, it is Jio, and ask them for a static IP. But sadly, they would reject it. So instead, we can use Cloudflare. To solve this particular problem, you can use Cloudflare Tunnel. So what happens is when you send a request to Cloudflare Tunnel, it actually has a secure connection to your Frigate service which is running on your Raspberry Pi. And then it responds with the web UI or the videos that you want to watch and serves it back again to you. This is how the whole system works and serves you video and solves our problem. So let me show you how this is functioning for me live. We are accessing this stream over the internet. I think you can see us. Hi. And you can go back in time, look at all the events that happened. Cool.